Hey guys, it's Matt with Spiceology. Today we're going to be making some Korean flavored chicken street tacos with a pineapple salsa. We're going to be doing this today on the big green egg. It's going to be a nice, great way to get a little bit of charcoal flavor into the chicken, and then we're going to come back, put some tortillas on it, roast it up. All together, it's going to be a really quick, easy, and a very good recipe. So let's go outside, we'll get the big green egg preheating, and let's go ace that Q. Today all we're going to need is some chicken breast or chicken thighs, whatever you like to use. Today I had a good deal on chicken breast, so that's what we came up with. And then we're going to need some tortillas. And then later, after a while, we're going to be making a salsa. Super quick and easy salsa that's going to top this chicken street taco off really, really well. So today we're going to be using the Spiceology Korean BBQ as our rub. And we're just going to go through here and just sprinkle on however much you like. You know, some people like a lot of flavor. Some people just want a little kiss of that flavor. So I'm going to put on a pretty good amount today. So we'll go through. We'll do the top side and the bottom side. Pat it in if you sprinkle a little too much like I just did. We'll flip each one over. Do the same thing. Now that we got these chicken breasts seasoned up, we're going to go ahead and put a meter probe into them right before we put them on the big green egg. We're going to be cooking them today about 375 degrees to 400 degrees, right in that little area. That meter probe will let us know as soon as these chicken breasts are done, and just a great way to easily monitor your cook. So let's go put these things in the big green egg, and we'll come back and start making our salsa to top this taco off. Now that we got the chicken out on the big green egg, we're going to go ahead and make our salsa. So all that we got today is pineapple, tomatoes, some red onions, some limes. So I got a half a cup of pineapple sitting in here. We're going to go ahead and dump in our half a cup of tomatoes as well. And then I got a quarter cup of red onions. Top that off with some fresh squeezed lime juice. I'm going to go for about 2 tablespoons worth here. Alright, now that we got that, we're just going to go through and stir it all up. And this will create a nice and fresh to that chicken street taco. Alright, as you can see, the chicken just got done. Man, look at that color on it and all the different specks with all the peppers and stuff like that. Just looks phenomenal. So I went ahead and sliced the breast up, made it about 1/4 inch thick so that way it'd be a good bite-sized piece whenever you're biting into that taco. Went ahead and toasted the tortillas as well. So right as the chicken was done or wrapping up, I basically threw these right on the grill grate, and it made it just to where you get a little char on it to give it a little bit more extra flavor profile. So now all we have to do is basically combine your taco together. So add a few pieces of chicken onto here, however much you want. You know, if you want that big old bite or that little bite, we're going to do something about like that. Then our salsa from a while ago, we're just going to put a little bit of it on, scatter it throughout. And guess what? It's time to dig in. Hope you guys enjoy it.